Hi friends, welcome to the Kids Club. Today we'll be learning about letter sounds. Let the letter sound adventure begin now. This letter sound is A. A, say it with me, A. A for apple, A for ant. This letter sound is B. B, say it with me, B. B for ball, B for banana. This letter sound is K. K, say it with me, K. K for cat, K for cake. This letter sound is D. D, say it with me, D. D for dog, D for door. This letter sound is A. A, say it with me, A. A for egg, A for elephant. This letter sound is F. F, say it with me, F. F for fish, F for frog. This letter sound is G. G, say it with me, G. G for goat, G for gift. This letter sound is H. Say it with me, for hen, for hat. This letter sound is E. E, say it with me, E for igloo, E for eyes. This letter sound is J. J, say it with me, J. J for jump, J for jam. This letter sound is K. K, say it with me, K. K for kick, K for key. This letter sound is say it with me, for lion, for lemon. This letter sound is say it with me, for milk, for mat. This letter sound is say it with me, N for net, N for nut. This letter sound is O. O, say it with me, O. O for orange, O for oven. This letter sound is P. P, say it with me, P. P for pig, P for panda. This letter sound is Qu. Qu, say it with me, Qu. Qu for queen, Qu for quiet. This letter sound is R. R, say it with me, R. R for rat, R for red. This letter sound is S. Say it with me, S. S for sun, S for sit. This letter sound is T. T, say it with me, T. T for tap, T for tent. This letter sound is R. R, say it with me, R. R for under, R for up. This letter sound is V. V, say it with me, V. V for violin, V for van. This letter sound is W. W, say it with me, W. W for water, W for wet. This letter sound is X. X, say it with me, X. X for mix, X for fix. This letter sound is E. 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 Say it with me. E. E for yawn. E for yellow. This letter sound is Z. Z. Say it with me. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope you had fun today in the letter sound adventure. See you on the next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.